Hello everyone, this is Vasant Manik. Welcome to my channel, The Chat Club. In this video, I'm gonna show my low budget indoor vertical garden that I maintain inside my home. It's actually a very pretty simple setup, an affordable one, where anyone can try such kind of setup at your home. And of course, you can do it by yourself as well. The one positive aspect of this place is that it is very close to the window, and most of the time this place would be so bright and get a bright indirect sunlight. I just simply love this particular place at my home. This place is always lush green and spreads an immense amount of positive vibes always, and of course this place is more of like an oxygen factory where you can get plenty of fresh oxygen. During festive times or functions or home parties, we used to decorate the special place like this with LED light setup. I have purchased this set of LED lights in online, and as you know, LED lights always beautifies any normal space into an extraordinary ambience. So try setting up this low budget affordable indoor vertical garden like this along with a special LED lights effects, because simple things make great memories. So before getting into the complete video, and another important thing that I want to mention is that though this place always receives a bright indirect sunlight, weekly twice or thrice I used to keep all these plants in morning direct sunlight for about an hour, and that's the reason the plants are so lush green. And I don't use any artificial lights or chemical fertilizer for my plants. This video is kinda tour of my indoor vertical garden, or I call it as a small or a mini lush green urban jungle. I'm not going to explain much about the plants in this video, but I'll be taking you around and introduce my plants to you. I'm pretty much sure you will just simply enjoy this video tour. The very first thing that I have done to have a lush green ambience is I have placed an artificial grass mat here. The grass mat really beautifies the ambience. Then you can see a handmade beautiful terracotta planter with a lot of intricate designs. It's actually a planter. I've placed a Philodendron on it. Then you can see a fern. I've placed it on a metal planter. Then you can see golden pothos. I have this golden pothos inside a plastic planter, 8-inch plastic planter, where you can hang it very easily. Then you can see a synhonium. You can see another variety of synhonium. I have a lucky bamboo. I have kept it in a beautiful ceramic planter, a lucky bamboo. Then I have money plant leaf. I have cut this from my garden. This is quite a big one actually. To beautify it further, I have added some pebbles inside the bottle. I have kept it inside the water. Then you can see a philodendron. I've placed a moss stick. The plant has started creeping on it. A philodendron. Then again I have a golden pothos. This golden pothos is quite a lengthy one. Then you can see marble queen pothos. This really looks so beautiful. Then you can see spider plant, very lush green and bushy spider plant. I've kept it in a metal planter. Then you can see a lucky bamboo. I have kept it inside a beautiful handmade terracotta planter. A swan. Then there is another terracotta planter where I have golden pothos in it. Then you can see fantail palms. Behind that you can see another spider plant. Then you can see a fern, quite a big one actually. Below that I have another fern. I have kept it in a ceramic planter. So this is how the complete setup looks like. Hope you guys would have enjoyed this tour. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.